This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight 380DQS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, stovetop burner, slide-out, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Jay Flight 380DQS is 8,375 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.